In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Shopify with a step-by-step tutorial designed to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're just starting out with your Shopify store or looking to organize your products better, this tutorial will help you establish a clear and easy-to-navigate structure for your customers. Let's dive right in. To get started, we're going to focus on the navigation options within the Shopify admin interface. First, you'll want to locate the Online Store section on the left-hand panel of your dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your store's digital interface. From there, click on Pages. This is where we'll create a new page specifically for the product categories you intend to add. These pages will serve as the landing spots for each category, allowing customers to explore your products in a more organized way. Give each page a name that matches the category you're envisioning, and be sure to publish it so that it becomes live on your website. Now, let's shift our focus to the content area, also found on the left panel. Select Menus to access your site's navigation settings. Here's where you'll add your new category options. Simply input each category name as a menu item and drag them to the right under a parent menu called Categories. This hierarchical structure gives customers a straightforward way to find the specific types of products they're interested in. It's a good idea to double-check the names to ensure they're intuitive and clear, enhancing the shopping experience. The next step involves linking these menu items to the pages you created earlier. When you link them, you create a seamless pathway from your store's navigation to the content on each category page. This linkage ensures that when customers click on the category names, they will be directed to the appropriate list of products contained within that category. With your menu items linked correctly, head over to the site editor. This is where you have the opportunity to edit the catalog pages you created earlier. It's important to add the catalog types here, which might refer to specific product collections or detailed descriptions that define what each category entails. This will allow customers to experience neat, well-organized catalog pages that make it easier for them to browse through products. And there you have it. Your product categories are set up and ready to guide customers through a streamlined shopping experience. This method not only helps to organize your store, but also makes it more user-friendly and accessible. Remember, a well-structured store can significantly improve customer satisfaction and boost sales. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy organizing!